Good day to all. I'm William T. Maveli from India. Today, I wish to have a short talk on Innovative Authors International Forum and its activities. The time is in India now, it's almost 9:30 morning. Good day, it is a very nice dawn, sunlight, everything is very enthusiastic and energetic. IAIF, when I say IAIF, it is Innovative Authors International Forum. We plan expansion to get many new poets recognized through this channel of IAIF. In view of that, we have already published an anthology, an international anthology of global poets with a name, Musings, on November 1st this year. This Musings anthology was enveloped with 110 poems from various poets, global poets, and that was welcomed by the World Literary Circle. Thank you for contributing marvelous points to this anthology, which is now in the market in Innovative Authors International Forum's Musings book is even currently available in Amazon platforms. Coming back to the activities of Innovative Authors International Forum, we are focusing on publishing, we are focusing on debates and review writing and further expansions in this area of literature. In view of that, we have already published Musings, this book, anthology. The second one is coming up with a title called Vadayanangal, which is in Malayalam, which means, the meaning of Vadayanangal means windows. It's nothing to do with the computer Windows or MS Microsoft Windows. It is something related with literature, the life we see through the windows, the air, the smell and everything what we grab through the windows, the birds, the nature, the beauty and the bounty of the nature which we see through the windows. This is the concept, and we have already received almost 60 poems in Malayalam to publish, and we are getting it published through one of the famous publishers named Literature's Light in India. The manuscript is under progress, and myself and honorable author Sindhu Nandakumar is working on that, along with Beena Manon and Bhouma, who is our associates in this anthology publishing activities. Now, coming back to bookshelf, I wish to highlight the plan. We expect published authors to come and participate in this program, which is focusing on appreciation, analysis of novels, poems, short stories, etc. You can send this manuscript of the published works, I am underlining published works, or your published book to IAIF address, which will be collected by Sindhu Nandakumar or myself, and we will be planning or we will be scheduling one book by book, maybe monthly wise or weekly wise, according to the availability of the time and space for the video and everything. That's the sum of bookshelf. When we say bookshelf, I wish to say that bookshelf is always kept as a decorated area of every home. No, we should not do that decoration. We should decorate it with books and read the books or write the books and get it into the bookshelf. This is what is the aim of bookshelf. I congratulate and I thank all the members of Innovative Authors International Group as well as the forum. We welcome membership, and that membership is a lifetime membership. You can get in touch with the Honorable Author Sintu Nandakumar regarding the membership formalities. That's all today. I wish to wind up my talk, a small talk. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye. Love to all.